Gently remove the 4 protection black dots, and use Phillips screwdriver to take all screws out. Remove the screws that hold the circuit board in place. Take note of where each wire was connected, as you will need to reconnect the new circuit board in the same way. Plug the cords of the new circuit board into the slots one by one according to the defective circuit board. Reinstall the 2 screws that hold the circuit board in place. Plugging in the watch window to a power source. Once you're sure the watch window is working correctly, remove the power source and reattach the watch window's board. Tighten all the screws and affix the protection black dots. That's it. You've successfully replaced the circuit board.